Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Vivomeetings. Vivomeetings is an webinars and streaming tool, and it's an alternative of Zoom. And I hope you are very familiar with Zoom. And they're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo. The single code pricing is 72 USD. Here you will get up to 12 attendees and webinar mode, premium web conferencing, screen sharing and file transfer feature, online whiteboard, HD video conferencing, iOS and Android mobile apps, virtual backgrounds, waiting room and breakout rooms, custom hold music, annotation and following, account administration, support level, email, chat, and phone. And if you stack 3 code, 5 code, and 7 code, then you will be upgraded to their standard plus and pro plan respectively. And if you go to their website, as you can see, they have 4 plans: basic plan, standard plan, plus plan, and pro plan. So if you get only one code, single code, then you will get this basic plan basically. And then they're saying that here if you stack 3 code, then you will get their standard plan, and similarly you can upgrade to their plus and pro plan. These are the things, guys. Now without further doing, let's go to the dashboard of Vivomeetings and let's explore how things works here. So guys, this is the dashboard of Vivomeeting, and it's very minimal dashboard. Here you can add your own logo, you can add your own icon. As you can see, I have added my own icon here, I have added my own logo here. And then see, they have your meeting room name, and here have the URL. You can share this URL, and then people will be able to join on your meeting. And there have audio conferencing details. If I click here, then here they will provide you one access code and moderator pin, and they will also provide you the dial-in number, phone control, support, and you can copy the details basically from here. So these are the things. If I just click here copy details, let me copy the details, and then let's see what it provide us. If I open one txt file here, and then if I paste it here, let me paste it. See, if I copy the details, then what they will provide us, they will provide Passivern meeting URL. That means my brand name here is Passivern. In your case, this name will be changed, and they will provide the access code, and then find a local dial in number. As that means if they visit to this URL, maybe they will get one local dial in number and connection test here, and they can test the connection basically by using this URL. So if you just click here, let me show you again. If you just click here copy details, then these things will be copied, and then you can share these things with your audience. I hope you get idea. Now let's say you want to start one meeting right now. Just click here start, and then your meeting will be started. See guys, my meeting has been started, and they have a lot of feature. In the more feature, they have meeting details, they have seating, you can change the background. If I click here change background, see they have virtual background, they have the blur mode. If I click here blur, then see everything will be blurred. And now if I move here, then see only I am visible, but my background is not visible here. So these are the things, and they have a lot of other backgrounds. So let's say I will select this one. So if I select this one, then let's see what happened. Okay, and then this background has been changed, but the background have some problem, I think. So in this way your background will be changed. Now let me show you how it will look like basically. And see, here my hair is not completely visible, my hand is not completely visible, so this background feature is not so good, I think. Now let me change the background more. If I go to this change background option, and then here maybe I would like to keep this blur option, and then they have option for display my video as other will see. And see, if I click here, then other will see in this way. If I cross it, then see, here you will see what other people are seeing for you. So these are the things. Now let me remove it from here. If I go to change background again, and then if I disable it, then it will be disabled. And see, they have meeting mode, they have conversation or collaboration mode, Q&A classroom mode, they have presentation or webinar mode. So you can select any mode that you want basically from here. And then they have audio video control. Here you can change your audio setting, you can change your speaker from here, you can test it. So these are the things. They have hold down the space key to temporarily unmute, chat, message notification. So you can see these things, and also you can change your camera and other things basically here. You can test your connection also from here. See, this is Wi-Fi test. So if I click here test connection, then what will happen, let's see. Then you will be redirected to here, and then if I click here start testing, and here see, you can see your microphone. Here I am talking, and here I can see my microphone, and let's say it's okay, yes. And can you hear audio coming from your speaker? Let's say yes. I'm not hearing anything because on my ear nothing is available. And then checking the internet connection, and see here they are checking the internet connection. So in this way you can check the connectivity, basically they're checking the internet connection, as you can see. And then they have video. If I see, mbps download speed is 2.27 for me. And then they have video, but if I click here video, nothing is happening. Okay, they're saying that slow internet connection, continue. So my internet connection is slow, and then it will provide you the video. Can you see your video feed? Yes, let's say I am seeing my video feed. Yes, and then done. So in this way you can test your connection, or you can test your connectivity from here. I hope you get idea, guys. Now here have more features. Say disable incoming video. You can disable incoming video also, and you can see the connection quality in the previous way that I have shown. And if I go to this setting, then see, these are the settings that we have explored previously, basically. Now they have breakout. If I click here breakout, then here see create breakout rooms, 2 rooms, 3 rooms you can create. Let's say I will create here 3 rooms, and assign automatically, assign manually. So let's say I will assign automatically. If I click here and then next, if I click here next, and here see room 1 will be for this person, room 2 will be for another person, room 3 will be for another person. You can change the room name from here if you want. Then here you can add more room, basically just click here add room, then more room you can add here. You can automatically assign persons, and then you can open all rooms from here. If I click here open all rooms, then see you have been invited to join a breakout room. So if I click here join, then let's see what is breakout room. Actually I'm not sure, guys, what breakout room is. So let me see what they provide us. See guys, here is the breakout room, and they are saying that you are in the room 1 breakout room. As you can see, here is the breakout room. Hello, hello, hello. But the background is not so nice, I think. These are the things. Now let me return to the main meeting. So in this way you can create breakout room also. So these are the things. I hope you get idea about this breakout room. Then they have record, and you can record only audio. You can just click here start, and the audio recording will be started, but you cannot still record here your videos. Then they have whiteboard. If I click here whiteboard, then they have the whiteboard. Basically you can draw here, you can write here. Let's say I will write here maybe subscribe. Okay, subscribe, maybe this is subscribe. And you can write anything, basically you can draw anything here. And then they have shape. You can bring here different shape. Then they have different text. You can write different text here. Let's say I'll write subscribe. And then they have the change size. So you can change the size. I'm not sure how to change the size. So change size feature is available here, but nothing is happening. Maybe something will happen here. And these are the things, guys. So you can change the font size also from here. See, subscribe, font size, everything is available, guys, that need for a whiteboard here. So in this way it will work. They have erase option, they have save option, they have clear option. So if I click here clear, then everything will be cleared. And if I click here save, then these things will be saved. See, these things has been saved here. So these are the things, and here you can download it, you can delete it, you can present it. So there have presentation view also. These are the things. I hope you get idea. I'm removing the whiteboard feature now. Then they have share. You can share additional camera, you can share your screen also. Just click here, and then it will be shared. I hope you get idea. And then see, they have chat feature. And if I click here chat again, then here all the whiteboard will be shared on your chat feature basically, and you can also here write any message. Let's say hi, see this is the message, and similarly people can chat with you. You can send here any attachment if you want. Let's say this is one image that I have sent here. So these are the things. I hope you get idea about this chat feature. And then they have polls. You can also run poll. Let's say just click here create poll, and here is the question. Let's say question, or let's say I will here write like subscribed, and let's say the option 1 is yes, option 2 is of course yes, and you can add new additional option also from here, and then show everyone the poll result. You can show everyone the poll result. You can allow anonymous voting also, and then if I just click here start polling, and then see it will be shown like that, and then here people have to vote, and whenever you want you can end the poll basically, and then you will be able to see the poll result. These are the things. I hope you get idea. You can create poll here in this way. You can see all your participant here, and in this dashboard only one participant is available. That's why I'm seeing here one participant, and you can invite to other participant here. You can invite them via email. You can invite them via the URL also. And see here is the gallery view. You can see the left side view. You can see the bottom bar view also, and you can also change the page size basically. I'm not changing anything, but you can change. And then there have the dark mode, light mode. You can change these things also from here. This is the complete idea, guys. Here I think these are the things that are available. You can stop the video, you can mute from here, then there have the microphone. You can change the microphone, you can change your camera from here. Lots of features are available. So these are the things. And see, there have the Wi-Fi quality. You can pin this window here, and then they have raise hand feature, and then and they have mute or unmute feature. These are the things, guys. Now I will end or leave the meeting. Let me end or leave the meeting. Just click here end for all, and then the meeting will be end, and then they will ask you to give some feedback. Okay, let's say 5 star. And then what will happen, as you can see here, you will see the previous dashboard basically, and in this way you can run your webinar or meetings by using this Vivo Meetings. You can schedule your meeting from here. Just click here schedule, and then you can here set up your meeting name. You can set up your time and date. You can set up your description, and then you will get your scheduled meeting here. You can get your URL. You can share this URL, and in time you can join on meeting. And if you want to join on another meeting, then they have join option. You have to just insert the access code, then you will be joined to another meeting, and this meeting must be hosted in this View Meetings. As you can see here, what this access code is, if I show you, every meeting have one access code. If I show you, see, they have one access code. So the meeting where you want to join, you have to know the access code of this meeting, and then you will be able to join on this meeting. I hope you get idea. And then they have meetings option. Here you can see all your past meetings. You can copy previous sitting, and then they have upcoming meetings. That means if you have any scheduled meeting, then you will see all your scheduled meeting here basically. I hope you get idea. And here you will see all your contact list. As you can see, I have added one contact. You can add more contact from here. You can add contact group. You can import your contacts basically from here. And then they have option for sitting. If I go to sitting, then they have a lot of sitting. They have pictures, and if I go to this picture, as you can see, I have added my profile picture here. I have added my icon here. Just look at my cursor, guys. See here, I have added this thing. So if you want, you can add these things. You can change your password, time zone, account setting. So if I go to this account setting here, they're asking dashboard type audio and video, and audio video setting you can change from here. Virtual background you can change from here, and then they have waiting room setting, hold music playlist, then themes and names announce. I'm not sure what it is. Primary dial in number. So a lot of things are available here, guys. You can change this thing from here. I hope you get idea. And the last thing that I want to show you, guys, this recording. I hope you can remember we can record. And see, this is our last meeting that has been recorded. Still it's processing because we just stopped the meeting. But see, this is another meeting that I have done previously, and this is its recording. So you can record the audio only, but you cannot record the video. So these are the things, guys. These are the full idea on this Vivo meeting. If you think, guys, you need this type of webinars and streaming tool, or you need one Zoom alternative for your business or for your personal growth, then you can get this Vivo Meetings lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Vivo Meetings lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on Vivo Meetings lifetime deal. And it's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I will get a small commission without costing you any additional costing. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video.